How do I get the Miele dishwasher out so I can tip it forward to have water at the base pan drain? It is causing a waterproofing error, and I am leaving town tomorrow and can't wait for it to evaporate in a day or so.
Hello, and thank you for using this service. I'll be helping you with your problem today. So every install is slightly different, and sometimes the drain hose and power cord and water line under the sink will need to be disconnected to pull the dishwasher out. Hopefully this isn't the case for your install. As for how to unmount the dishwasher, just open the door. There are a few screws going up through the top on the front frame of the dishwasher you'll need to unscrew. Then on the right and left side, sometimes there are screws that you need to remove as well, going into the sides of the cabinet around the front frame. Not all the screws may be exposed. Oftentimes there will be a plastic cap over the hole where the screw is at, so if you see a 1/2 inch diameter plastic cap, then just pry the cap up with a knife and pull the cap off to expose the screws. With all the screws removed, the dishwasher should just pull straight forward as long as it's not caught on anything or the drain/fill hose isn't too short. Also, I do not receive credit for my time helping you if you do not choose one of the top 3 ratings, so if there is anything else I can help you with today, just let me know. You can continue asking questions for as long as you like even after you rate me. Click the Continue Conversation link if you would like to continue this conversation. If you are done and rate a 1 or 2 star, that is fine, but please consider using the Continue Conversation link and telling me what more I can do or what more you would have liked that was within my power so that I possibly give you that information or learn from it.
Okay. It is not screwed in, but it is snug under the counter. What do I pull on to bring it forward? I'm worried I will damage the door if I use that. There is nothing to grip on very well.
So you may need to remove the kick panel below the door and then turn the screws in the bottom right and left corners counterclockwise to lower the feet so you can pull the dishwasher forward. Other than that, I open the door and grab the ceiling and lift and pull forward at the same time. Do not pull on the door itself.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.